Hey, this is Kevin from SlickText. Today we're going to show you how to connect your SlickText account to thousands of apps using Zapier. Zapier is a powerful automation platform that enables you to connect the software in your tech stack, even when a native integration isn't available. You can sync contact data and run automated tasks without writing a single line of code. If you already have a Zapier account, you're probably aware that there are both free and paid versions. Each plan includes a limited number of tasks, and each task uses a credit, so you'll need to choose a plan that aligns with your expected usage. Inside Zapier, you'll need to be familiar with three terms. The first is a Zap. This is an automated workflow that connects two or more apps. It consists of two components, a trigger and one or more actions. A trigger is the event that initiates a Zap. In Zapier, this is either a connected app that has triggering capabilities or webhooks by Zapier. The third term is an action, also known as a task. Actions and tasks are steps in a Zap that follow the trigger. By connecting SlickText to Zapier, you'll be able to send automated review collections after completed appointments, create new contacts in SlickText when someone fills out a Google form, and thousands of other automation possibilities. If you'd like to get some inspiration for what Zapier can help you automate, visit the link below to see the SlickText listing on Zapier's website. You'll be able to find other apps that you can connect with Zapier and the triggers and actions available that are relevant to SlickText. Let's look at a popular scenario for using Zapier with SlickText. Let's say you use Zoom to host webinars and you want to collect a phone number when someone registers for one of your webinars. Zapier allows you to use the data you capture compliantly on your webinar registration form to create a subscribed contact in your SlickText account. Once you collect their phone number, you can send automated reminders, marketing campaigns, and one-on-one text messages. Before you set up the Zapier integration, you'll need to confirm you have accounts for both SlickText and Zapier. Then, log into your SlickText account and navigate to Settings. Select API and Webhooks, and then API Keys. Okay, let's create a new API key and name it Zapier. Then, copy this key and head over to your Zapier account. Click Create a new Zap. For the trigger, let's use Zoom. And the event is New Webinar Registrant. And I'll connect my Zoom account and then configure with the correct webinar. It's going to want to test your trigger, so go ahead through that process. So let's see what fields I have to work with. There is some back-end data I don't need, but we will use first name, last name, email, and phone number. Alright, now we can move on to the action, which will be what happens in SlickText. So find SlickText, and my action event is create a subscribed contact. I'll connect my SlickText account by pasting in that API key from SlickText. Okay, let's move on to configure the action. I'll leave double opt-in on, and now I'll just go ahead and map out the fields between my Zoom submissions and my SlickText contact properties. Let's go ahead and test this step. Just a note for this example, if you are already a contact in your SlickText audience and you try to test this on yourself, you'll get an error saying that it failed to create a contact because you already exist. Alright, it looks like we're set here, so I'll go ahead and publish my Zap. And that's it. Now whenever a new person registers for my Zoom webinar, they'll be added as a contact in SlickText. Your SlickText account is now connected to Zapier's thousands of apps. Search their app library and easily connect SlickText to your other favorite tools. If you have any questions about this integration or anything else, check out our Help Center or reach out to our support team. We'd love to talk to our customers.